Hello everyone, this is Maya. The GERPWFE refrigerator water filter is an absolute essential for keeping our water fresh and clean. Installation is simple, and I immediately noticed an improvement in taste and clarity. This filter is certified to reduce lead, sulfur, and over 50 other impurities, so I feel confident that it's providing safe, high-quality water for my family. It's recommended to replace it every 6 months, which is convenient as it maintains optimal filtration without any guesswork. Although it's a bit more expensive, the genuine replacement is worth it for the peace of mind and the noticeable difference in water quality. Highly recommend this filter if you want reliable, contaminant-free water straight from your refrigerator. I hope this review helps.